and contain the second round effects. Accordingly, the MPC decided to increase the policy repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.4%. The MPC also decided to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation remains within the target going forward while supporting growth. I would now like to provide an assessment of growth and inflation, and at first I would like to focus on growth. Domestic economic activity is exhibiting signs of broadening. The southwest monsoon rainfall and reservoir levels are above normal. Kharif sowing is progressing well, although it is marginally below last year's level due to uneven rainfall distribution. On the demand side, indicators such as production of consumer durables, domestic passenger traffic, sale of passenger vehicles, and similar other indicators suggest improvement in urban demand. Rural demand indicators, however, exhibited mixed signals. While two-wheeler sales have increased, tractor sales contracted in June over, of course, a high base last year. High-frequency indicators of services sector like railway freight traffic, port traffic, that is port freight traffic, e-way bills, toll collections, and commercial vehicle sales remained robust in June and July. Investment activity is also picking up. The production of capital goods recorded double-digit growth for the second month in a row in May, and import of capital goods also witnessed robust growth in June. PMI manufacturing rose to an 8-month high in July. PMI services indicated continued expansion in July, although it fell from an 11-year high that was experienced or that was seen in the month of June. Capacity utilization in the manufacturing sector is now above its long-run average, signaling the need for fresh investment activity in additional capacity creation. The numbers also I have given in the footnote, but for immediate reference, let me mention that according to the RBI survey, capacity utilization in the manufacturing sector in Q4 of 21-22 was 75.3% relative to its long-term average of 73.7%. Bank credit growth has also accelerated to 14% year-on-year as on 15th July, and that is the latest data that we have. And this has accelerated to 14% from 5.4% that was recorded a year ago. Incoming data of corporates for the first quarter of next year indicate that sales and demand conditions and profitability of manufacturing sector remained buoyant. Looking ahead, a good progress of the southwest monsoon and Kharif sowing would support rural consumption. Urban consumption is expected to benefit from the demand for contact